Hello, my name is Safa Balekoğlu. I'm also partnership of the company Çınar Çanta. We set up this company in 2014 in Istanbul. We are manufacturer company, and also we have many type of bags we produce. Every year we around 3 million, more than 3 million bags we are producing, and then we deliver to Europe, US, and also Greece. Some of country we deliver our bags. So we have we have website çınarbesçanta.com. We have a catalog here. We have lots of many kind of bags we produce. We use our cotton or type of bags we produce. You see here cotton bags, and then non-woven bags. Yeah, this type of bags we produce. Yeah. You can see, yeah. We are Çınar Çanta. Now we are in trade show here. Yeah.